Damn! Yo, dude!
I need new underwear.
Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. My name's Chris, this is Driven by Boost, and today guys, we got an awesome video. Jordan's F80 M3 is right behind me, and we have ordered mid-pipes from VRSF. And Jordan, what size dimension are these pipes?
Hey guys, so what they do is they take the down pipes, put them into one 3.5-inch pipe, and then right about the differentials when they break off to two 2.5s. It'll clean out the raspy noise that these motors are known for.
Awesome, so this is gonna clean up the exhaust a little bit. It's gonna sound way better than it did before. It's gonna be an awesome video, guys. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, hit that like button, guys. So we'll get to it. Thanks. So it turns out we do not have to remove the muffler. The muffler can stay on right now. We just need to get access to the stock mid pipes. Looks we got some brackets over there that we can kind of connect to. So we're gonna try to unbolt that right now, get that situated. But we got all the exhaust components out of the box right now. So what Jordan was saying is that the down pipes are gonna connect into this, and it's gonna configure up into one solid pipe. As to where the X pipe used to be, and then flow out there, and then eventually out the rear. But this main centerpiece right here, this is what's gonna kind of reduce that rasp sound and make the exhaust flow a little bit faster and sound cleaner. So we'll see. So we're just unhooking it from the rear muffler right now.
A lot of people's big question is, do you have to modify your stock muffler or exhaust to get the mid pipe in if they didn't already do a new muffler? And yeah, the answer is yes. You actually have to cut it about an inch in from the welds of the muffler.
Okay.
And then these will just clamp on and continue into the muffler. But if you have an aftermarket exhaust.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay. So you're running the dyno exhaust right here, and since we're running that, we don't have to cut the exhaust at all. It's going to bolt right into it, essentially.
Yeah, we're just going to use, there's clamps on there already. We're going to use these ones too. These ones actually get a full 360 seal instead of like using a clamp like this where you're actually going to get exhaust leaks inside here.
Okay. Sounds good. So anyways, those are the secondary cats. Here's the resonator. The VRSF pipe is going to fall along this whole exhaust section right here. Removing both those two sections, hopefully creating a cleaner exhaust sound, but we'll see when you get this unbolted.
And sometimes WD-40 works really well. You got to lube it up.
Just spit on it.
Yeah.
Spit in my mouth.
Sam, I thought you worked out, bro.
I used to work out. I'm just a busted old man.
You just press this button and speak into the air and...
I'm having chest pain!
Jesus. Sam, I'm telling you, if you put WD-40 in that bitch will slide right out.
Spit on it.
What if we pull it?
Oh!
Stop it. Get some help.
Jesus.
Was that it?
Knock down my hand. Now you might be able to push it through. Watch your finger though.
Give your meat a good old rub.
Yeah, boy, help me. Yeah, boy. Alright, looks like the bracket's coming off.
Okay. What makes it so solid of a car?
5 minutes later.
Got it?
Yep.
now we gotta get the exhaust hangers off this one.
Alright guys, so we finally got the mid pipe out. Here's where it connects out to the down pipes all the way up. These guys right here are the secondary cats, and then here is the resonator. So you guys can kind of see how it kind of stays in the two pipes. Here's the resonator, and now the bottom. So this is where it differs from the VRSF pipes. So we're gonna put them together, kind of see how they look like. See how they kind of come into one. This kind of also accelerates the exhaust gases, smooths out the tone. Should provide a better quality overall for the exhaust.
Yeah, this section. So that's how it'll all work out together.
Yeah. And this mid section is what, 3 inches?
3.5.
3.5 into 2.5?
Yeah, 2 2.5s.
2, 2.5, 3.5, 3.5.
2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, I love whatever the amount.
How heavy is it?
That's another thing that we're saving on. Is that like 40 pounds, 30?
30, 40 pounds?
Yeah, whereas with this one, the new exhaust, since you're pretty much eliminating one entire pipe, plus the cats and the resonator, you're saving a lot of weight. And that's a big advantage of going with the single instead of 2 duals.
Okay. Weight savings and sound. Yes, sir. All right, buddy, whenever you're ready, fire away. Yo! How about them Turbskis whistling though?
Let's just leave it.
You guys can see this, but we finally got the first pipe connected all the way down from the down pipes all the way there. We put the sets at the center cross brace back in, so that piece is back in now. Now we're finishing up, hopefully getting it connected up to the rear. Jordan's passing us one of these segmented pipes.
Oh my God! Wow!
Jesus, dude.
Well, these expired a year ago. So. So how does the exhaust tips look where they're at?
So the right side looks good.
Left side's like
The left
high.
side's a little bit higher, but it's not terrible right now. We just got done bolting all the clamps together. All the exhaust pieces are in where they need to be. So we're just kind of making sure the tips are lining up correctly. There's not any weird gaps, or it's not bumping up on the rear diffuser, so we're not getting any vibrations. Nothing's gonna melt. So we're just double checking right now before we get it off the jacks, and hopefully we'll start her up soon and check for rattles.
Everything's tightened up, put in position. We're gonna start it up for the first time, see what it sounds like.
All right, boys. Sounds good. Sounds really deep. Nice, real rich rumble to it right now.
There's a little one here, Jordan. You feel it?
We'll find a leak.
Yeah, we got pretty much exhaust leaks at every clamp. So
Nice.
Okay.
No! Checking for some more leaks right now. We found a couple on the first 2 startups. We're just kind of tightening up the clamps right now. Just kind of going through, make sure everything's in peace before we drop it. But for some reason, these clamps are they're proving to be a little difficult right now because it's not providing like a really tight seal in some of the areas, especially when the down pipes come right into the mid pipe. We're not getting a real tight seal right in that area, so it's causing little problems. So we're checking for it right now. Oh, do it again. Yo! What was that at? What was that at?
like 2200.
Oh my god, dude, it sounded so good. Oh my god, dude. What?
Y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up.
Sounded so good. We cannot wait to take this thing for a ride, see how it really sounds under load. That was with the valves closed too with the exhaust. So this is gonna sound awesome when we open it up and really take it on the block, guys. We good?
Yeah, we're all good. All right. Well, fuck it, let's shoot.
All right, baby.
I'm really happy.
Yo!
I need it all. Do you want it all? Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind.
All right, guys, we're gonna give it a little test ride, kind of see how it sounds for the first time on the road.
Try not to scare Grandma and Grandpa.
So is this in sport mode?
Yeah, so right now it's just sport mode.
Okay.
I can put it in Sport Plus and the pops will go a lot more.
The crackles are definitely there. Are the valves open now?
Yeah, the valves are open. It's in Sport Plus, so it should pop a lot more too.
All right. God. You can really hear it right up top. Definitely. Oh, yeah. Wow. It's a good sound, man. It sounds really, like, throaty almost, you know? Like, it's just, it's not, like, significantly louder than it was before, but it's definitely, like, deeper in a much better way.
It got rid of the rasp, and that was the biggest.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
And now it's more enjoyable just listening to the burbles.
Yo, thoughts?
It sounds amazing.
Dude, it sounds so good from outside.
This is the best $500 I've ever spent.
Oh, for sure. For sure.
And you know, I'm actually really surprised at how well it fit and how great it sounds for being one of the cheapest options out there.
Oh, dude, absolutely.
And then the intakes, just
The
hearing
combo,
those
man.
turbos spool up. Just,
Like, your car sounded good before, but like right now with the intake and the exhaust, it's at a whole nother level. All right, man. Damn! Yo, dude!
I need new underwear.
Where do I begin? I see the hate, they don't wanna see.
Guys, the exhaust sounds awesome. Definitely adds that whole new level to the car. Smooth out the tone, deleted the rasp, and just kind of adds that just like real refined note, I guess you kind of say.
Yeah, it definitely cleaned up the exhaust big time and gave it kind of a throatier growl to it instead of that raspy, like almost garbage can sound. And even with it being the least expensive option out there on the market, fitment was great. The only issue we had was actually my fault, really. I didn't get new donut gaskets. But yeah, it sounds amazing. I love driving this thing even more.
Yeah, it's awesome. Burbles are super loud, super pronounced, so just overall just an awesome upgrade to the car. That's it for today's video, guys. If you liked it, definitely hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, please do yourself a favor. Hit that subscribe button. We got a lot of awesome content coming through. So once again, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Take it easy. All right, guys, so Sam's going to hop in the car. We're going to start it up with the open downpipes, and we're going to see how she sounds. Probably loud, but we'll see what it sounds like.
I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't want it all. Heard he scammer, had to switch up the account.